Alright. Yo, it's 420, you feel me? National Weed Day. Niggas is just getting up right now. We gonna get y'all niggas in hit real quick, son. You hear the music, son? Y'all hear it? Yeah. Akeem 420. Hey. I smoke another blunt. Tell your bitch to roll it up. After that, just suck on this nuts. Yeah, your bitch wanna fuck. I say, hell no, but she really need it. I say she get it if I'm weeded. I don't give a fuck, that bitch want it, so I'ma give a nut right in her stomach. She gon' take it, she gon' wake it, bake it, shake it, ache it,
You already know I'm about to take the throne, cause we roll it, we smoke it, yeah, we like to toke it. Smoking on the sour, yeah, like we just pouring, cause you smell it from the other room. Sweat like the other broom, now you the dustpan, left in the dust, man. Chillin' on this lust, man, cause that love, I don't really fuck with cuffin'. Yeah, you see my doggy, he high too, though. Yeah, we kickin' something like judo. Nod your head if you know how we do it. Weed is the movement, smoking on the 20s or the O's. Oh shit. We rollin' on them blunts.
I smoking on them blunts.
Then we put it in a
butt. After that, she licking my nuts.
Bust a nut.
Right after we smoke a blunt.
Ayy.
Base God.
You feel me?
Fuck with it.
World star.
Swag. Hey.
Official.
Woo.